Hello engineers and designers, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick but powerful tutorials, we are going to learn how to extract intersection points between two roads in AutoCAD Civil 3D, step by step. Whether you are designing a junction or analyzing geometry for traffic planning, this is a must-know trick. So grab your Civil 3D files and let's jump right in.
First, make sure you have your two roads modeled properly in Civil 3D. Each road should have its own alignment and profile, and optionally a corridor, if already designed. You can check this under the Prospector tab, Alignment Centerline, Prospector Alignment Centerline, R1 Alignment, and R2 Alignment. This is the area where two alignments intersect, and this is the point of intersection. To extract the point of intersection, first go to Home tab, Point Creation tool, Point Creation, make elevation, point names, descriptions, and elevation and default description. Make this automatic, not manual. Automatic and elevation 0. Default description and manual. Now this is the intersection point. Enter. R1 is the main road and R2 second road. R1 the main road and R2 the second road. So the elevation or point of intersection in R1 profile should be the same elevation in R2 profile. Now we can add the point of intersection to R1 profile and R2 profile. How? Select R1 profile, project objects to profile view, select point of intersection, then use layout 1 profile. This is the elevation of projection. Yes. Station, source elevation 0, 0. Source elevation is the elevation of the point of intersection, but I need the elevation of projection. Select point, select edit label text, select this. Now add projection elevation. Okay. This is the projection elevation. This is the projection elevation. I want to link the elevation of profile R1 to the elevation of profile R2. But first, select profile R2, project object to profile, and select the point. Take the elevation from layout 2 is the profile of R2. Station. I want to add projection elevation. Select edit label text. Projection elevation. Okay. So the elevation of projection is 101.24, not the same elevation in R1. The elevation in R2, not the same elevation of R1. Now I can link these two profiles in the point of intersection. How we can do that? Home tab, intersection, create intersection, select intersection point, select the main route, general, intersect R1 and R2, geometry details, cancel check any box, corridor region, not corridor. I need just the point of intersection, create intersection. So this is the point of intersection. Intersection R1, R2, alignment R1, station 1, kilo 60, 665 meter, station R2. This is the intersection point station on two roads. Now, this is the elevation of R1, the point of intersection in R1. Now, this is the same elevation. If I change anything in R1 profile, this will affect the R2 and will be the same elevation. Now, elevation 95. This is the same elevation. This is the same elevation. The profile R1 and linked profile R2 dynamic. If I change anything in profile R1, this will affect the profile to elevation in the intersection point. Now I want to extract the point of intersection into a CSV file. I want to extract the intersection point. So if I have a lot of roads and many intersection points, I make a group intersection. Include with full with road description and this is our point of intersection, easting and northing. Toolbox, point in CSV, execute, point in CSV, intersections. Okay. This is our point, and east, northing, easting. Thanks for watching. If you find our video helpful, please subscribe, share, comment, and goodbye.